So we're going to start with the roll back. We get 3 times. The first time, our intention's on the back keystone, the sacrum. And then we roll up, intention through, weighting the back of the pelvis. And now the second one, as we roll back, we're going to put weight through the front keystone, through the pubic symphysis, till we're flat. And then we roll up, pushing postural weight through the front keystone. And now we'll share. We roll down, we put it through the back and the front. I have to go back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. That's the story I'm saying in my mind. Oh, back, front, back, front, back, front. To keep my intention alive.